Hello students, welcome to Food and Textile Studies for grade 9. In this video on the principles and methods of food preparation, you will learn how to make a caramel bread pudding. Let us have a look at the learning objectives. This video will help you to list the ingredients for making caramel bread pudding. Outline the method for making caramel bread pudding and suggest different variations of the recipe. We will first consider the list of ingredients needed in the recipe. To make caramel, you will need 75 grams sugar. For the bread pudding, you will need 1 bread which weighs about 100 grams and which is 1 day old, 2 eggs, 200 milliliters of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and 1 teaspoon orange zest, which is obtained by grating orange peel finely. Before you start, it is important to note the following special points about the recipe. The number of servings is for 5 persons. The preparation time is about 30 minutes. For the caramel, the cooking appliance used is the stove. The cooking temperature is low heat and the cooking time is about 5 minutes. However, for the pudding, the cooking appliance used is the microwave oven. The cooking temperature is medium, that is 700 watts. Cooking time is 8 minutes with standing time 2 minutes. We will now proceed with the method of making the recipe. Step 1. In a saucepan, make caramel by melting sugar over low heat until a golden brown color is obtained. Then, transfer the caramel immediately to coat the base of an oven-proof dish as follows. Step 2. Cut the bread into small pieces. You may use a bread knife. Step 3. Whisk eggs, sugar, milk, and flavorings lightly and use to soak the bread. Step 4. Mash soaked bread until smooth and thick using either a fork or a potato masher. Pour onto the cooled caramel. Step 5. Cook for 8 minutes in a microwave oven adjusted on 700 watts until the pudding is set and allow to stand for 2 minutes. Step 6. Unmold immediately in a deep plate. Cool and then decorate. For an attractive finish, you can simply decorate the caramel bread pudding with fresh mint leaves. This recipe can be given different flavors or finishes. For example, you can make a chocolate and orange bread pudding. Use 1 tablespoon cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon orange zest as flavoring. Note the caramel may be omitted. Here is the chocolate and orange bread pudding. You can also make some mini puddings. To make mini puddings, use small soufflé dishes or a silicone pat tin and cook for 3 minutes. Here you can see the mini caramel bread puddings, which are individual servings. To recapitulate, in this video you have learned about the ingredients needed to make caramel bread pudding, how to cook a caramel, prepare a bread pudding, and cook the dish in a microwave oven, and how to vary the recipe. Well, students, we have now reached the end of this video. I hope you will be able to use these guidelines to make a delicious caramel bread pudding in your microwave oven. Thank you for your attention.